Whoiskingshawn.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. This is on Fortivia credit card. Yes, they're doing a pre-qualification, as you see right here. But again, as always, once you accept that offer and move forward, it will be a hard inquiry on your experience. So please don't have a lock or freeze on Experian. Right now, you might be saying, what kind of credit score do I need to get approved for this card? Now, as little as a 550 people been getting approved for this card. People that had bankruptcies, people that had charge-offs, people that got late payments. It doesn't matter, they will work with you, but it is cons to this card that I'm explaining. Now, yes, you're going to get some cash back on groceries, gas, utilities, 3%, which is not that bad, right? This one don't really offer too much when it comes to benefits. Again, this is for the bottom of the barrel. When you're desperate and you need some kind of card to add on your credit report so you can start increasing your score and actually have your credit report start looking positive. Right now, the APR on this credit card, I will have to say, range from 22% to 36%. Now, just think about it. The highest I seen this card go up to is $1,000 limit. They max out at that $1,000, right? That's pretty much sure. If you get approved, it's $300, $600, $900, $1,000, nothing more. You in that window from 0 to 1,000. You know, everybody's gonna be different, right? So again, they will get you in the door. You'll be able to have a chance to start, you know, adding this on your credit report so you can get some positive payments over time. So again, if you have $8,000 balance today, right, and you're at that 36%, you know, on that APR, just think about it. You could rack up that balance very high. It could be at $1,500, $2,000, and $2,500 if you go month after month without paying it down. So this is something to think about. And just to let you know, another downside to this card is that the annual fee range from $49, people, to $175 a year. You might be saying, hey, you're out of your mind, you're crazy, I am not applying for this card. But this is not for you. Again, this is why on this channel I give you credit cards, top tier, middle tier, bottom tier. This is a card that goes below the bottom, the graveyard. This is that kind of card. But people are sending me requests, they're sending me emails, asking me to do reviews on some of these cards. And again, I want to cater to them. So I'm bringing this card. But so again, you got to just, you know, keep that in mind. That APR is from 22 to 36%. That annual fee is from $49 to $175 a year. So if you want to move forward, that's your choice. Again, this is for educational use only. Again, so you're going to click it right here, see if you pre-qualify. Click it there. You're going to fill out some information. Again, no matter what I say, you're meant to say, anybody say, friend, family, doesn't matter. They got the phone number right up here. You can call them up and ask them any question you have. You know, when I was on my journey of rebuilding my credit, I got on the phone with a lot of these credit cards, a lot of these companies, a lot of these banks, and asked them a lot of questions. So let me go right here because I know y'all going to ask this. Put your first, last name, social security. You might be saying, hey, social security, thought you said they're not doing a hard pull. Again, people, they gotta verify who you are. Banks is just not gonna give you money without verifying who you are. So you're gonna put your social security right there, your phone number, email, home address. Again, your employee's name. You gotta have a job. Come on, hopefully you do have a job if you're applying for credit cards, right? How much you make yearly, and go ahead, check that box and see your offer. See if you get some money from them. But again, this is not for everybody to be applying because annual fees, APRs, limits only going up to like $1,000. You know, you don't really have anything to offer. But again, it's people out there that's desperate that just want a card so they can start, you know, building their credit. So get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.